workout. Working out for the first time in this new gym, and I love it. It feels so good. I opened the garage door so you get fresh air, and it's like you're working outside. It's so good. Oh my god. I did a 30 minutes full body workout with weights and body weight. It feels so good. So post workout is gonna be some coffee. Mayank is working out right now during his lunch break, and for lunch I plan to make let's see. Okay, I'm gonna make this ginger soy veggies and noodles plus sauce meal kit. So I'm gonna divide this into two, and I'm gonna make this for lunch. It looks delicious, it's portion control, it's healthy, it has less calories, so we were super excited to eat this. This is going to be for lunch. And yeah, it's a normal working day because it's the first Monday of the year, and all the vacation time is over. It's back to work, so you guys saw how easy it was to make that dish. It's basically a little bit of noodles in the base, and then a lot of veggies on top with ginger soy dressing. So this is how the bowl looks. I am very excited to eat. It's portion control, it's healthy, it's delicious.